Well, we know October is a very busy time of year here along coastal Delmarva, and if you're going to be hanging around in Ocean City, well, there's plenty more fun that you want to be aware of. We've got Amy Thompson joining us with the Ocean City Chamber of Commerce, and you guys have some pretty fun events coming up that I know a lot of people are not going to want to miss. So should we start with the casino night?
Sure, we can do that. So I like to joke that in Ocean City they work hard, but they like to play hard too.
Yes.
So typically chamber events, we're very specific about adding value to businesses, but I'm like, let's have a little fun. It is October.
Yes.
So yes, this coming Sunday, the 19th, we have our Brunch Bets event.
Ooh.
So this is really ideal for those who are intrigued by table games, but they're a little nervous.
Okay.
They're a little intimidated. They don't really know what they're doing. They don't want to be that person who like does the wrong thing and everyone else is like, oh my gosh, what are you doing? So this is an educational opportunity.
Perfect.
You can, for $25, you can learn how to play. You can then get $25 of table vouchers to practice, and you get a great brunch.
Love that.
I love that too.
A little bit of food
Right.
and learn a skill that you know
Right.
is going to have some fun.
Right.
Well, especially because you're exactly right. I mean, I feel like I'm definitely one of those people that like I'm intrigued by the table game, but I haven't played one, so I'm like I don't want to lose money or walk up there and be like, so how do we play this? And you know, like it shouldn't be embarrassing, but it is a little embarrassing.
Yeah,
This is a great opportunity.
So it's just that bridging that gap between I watch people do it on TV and maybe I can try it myself and maybe I'm actually good at this. Maybe I find it fun. You know, this is entertainment. Really, is what you can do at the casino. So, yeah, we're excited about it.
So if folks are really interested in attending this, they get some good games. Maybe they learn something new, whether it's about themselves, their skill set, or what have you, and they want to get their hands on that delicious brunch. Where can they go to get tickets?
Yep, super simple. oceancity.org is our website, and all of our events are right there on the homepage, right on the right-hand side. Click, buy, good to go.
And you said all of your events. There's more things coming up. So what else is going on? Because we don't want anybody to miss any of the great things happening down in Ocean City.
Yeah, so from a chamber standpoint, we are also bringing back a murder mystery.
Hey.
So if you've heard The Sopranos, we got the Altos. And so we have, it'll be a live theater performance. All the participants get to participate in whodunit.
Ooh.
I believe you're gonna walk in and there'll be a coffin and it's the Don. You gotta figure out who took care of him. And so you get to eat, you get drinks, you get to solve a murder mystery. Like, it's so October, right?
Yes.
And have you ever done a murder mystery before?
We did one last year as well, and I will say, watching the guests is the best part because everyone is super skeptical of everyone else, just walking around like, I don't know.
Did you do this?
Are they an
Did
actor?
you snuff
Are
out the
they an
dog?
actor? Or is there just, I don't know, and like taking furious notes and picking up every clue. Oh, it's adorable.
It's
and
real life Clue, basically.
Yeah,
I mean, you're just in there jotting things down.
It is Knives Out, Ocean Downs edition. Like, it is really
Amazing.
fun. Really excited for this one too.
And if somebody wanted to get involved,
Yeah.
how would they do that? If they actually wanted to join up, Chamber of Commerce, be a part of all of this, how would they do that?
Same place, Ocean City. It's really, that'd be a great question. And wherever you live, wherever your business really serves, join that chamber. You know, we serve the greater Ocean City area. There's plenty of other amazing chambers in the area as well. And we're all a little different. That's what I love. You know, we know our industry is tourism. So we're really deeply anchored in that space, and other areas, you know, they serve different businesses. So that's what is really fun about this space is find the chamber that fits your business and then your personality too. We have a lot of fun where we are, like we don't take ourselves too seriously, and that's not for everyone. But for those who want to, we've got events committee, we've got legislative committees. We do lots of things. We do ribbon cuttings. There's a lot of activity about getting people to connect to one another in real life.
Yeah, well, nice to see.
I love that.
I love that too, and that you guys get so much out of it, and picking the chamber that works for you is a great way to get involved. So sounds like you guys have lots of fun events coming down the line that I know a lot of people are going to want to get involved in. So Amy, thank you so much for coming in today, and thank you guys so much for what you do for the town of Ocean City. And
Thank you so much for having me. I appreciate it.
Of course. We do have some more CoastLife to get to. We're talking community, more local businesses to celebrate on the way.